So a short demonstration how to connect to your Android phone using your ProGloves. All you have to do is install the necessary software, which is called Insight Mobile. So once you install the software, you've got an account from ProGloves. They're going to share you the account. You're able to install and download this on your Android phone. Once you open it, you'll see a pairing barcode. And once you turn on your ProGloves as well, it says scan a pairing barcode. So if I scan that, now it says connected. Yep, and as well as here, you'll see it's all connected. So basically, that's the only thing that you need at this point. And then you can start scanning, and it should reflect here in your Android device. So I'll try to open a simple notepad. And there are a bunch of barcodes here that I'm going to try to scan it. So I'll just point it and scan. Yep, now it registers here. Let me try to scan another barcode from here. Yep, there's another one. And then from here, I'm gonna scan another barcode. Yep, it's there, as well as another barcode. Yep. So basically, that's how this works. So you can see the barcode that you scan here on screen from the ProGloves. You can also see it, or your Android phone will be able to receive it. So just a short demonstration as well on velocity. That's the Intermax emulator. And let's try to scan the username from here. Okay, so the username is there, and it's there, and the password is, yep, go here, and then scan a password. Password is here, login.
Select options.
So that's how it works as well with the velocity emulator.